everyone, welcome back to my channel. And for this look, I'm doing this very easy, my go-to natural makeup look in a way where my eyes are pretty natural and everything else is kind of natural-ish. Like you could always go like a little dramatic with the lips. I just kind of did this nude color-ish. It's kind of a nude, it's kind of brown. And then I really went to town with my highlighter, which I really shouldn't have because I had a lot of texture. I have a lot of texture going on right now, but you know, whatever. I'm not wearing any fake eyelashes with this because again, this is my go-to natural makeup tutorial. My go-to look, actually. This is my go-to look. I do this look a lot. If you guys want to see how I did this look, just keep on watching. I'm still trying to figure out my like whole recording and filming thing with my ring light. I love it, but it could be a little like hard in a way, but I'm just putting chapstick on and I put my hair up too. Yeah, so I want to show you guys the look that I used when I was on holiday, and also let me fix this. I'll show you guys the makeup that I did for my holiday in my makeup bags. But I'm gonna moisturize my face with this Glam Glow Nude Glow Illuminizing moisturizer. I know that was really hard for me to say. I don't know why. It just happened that way. But yeah, I'm just gonna use my beauty sponge for that. I need a mirror. I love how my camera right now. I look real warm. But I like to moisturize first before I put any like foundation on, so it really absorbs into my skin. And I'm just using the Morphe beauty sponge, which I'm so excited that they're gonna come out with the Morphe store where I live. Where I live, there's a lot of companies that do like testing for products, because where I live it's very diverse in cultures. So I'm just taking Painter the Paint Pot from MAC to prime my eyes, because I have oily eyelids and I like to use this to prime my eye area. I've been using this stuff for years. I'm telling you, years. But to this day, like, I love makeup, but I can never really get the consistency. Like, sometimes it's perfect and sometimes I have like creasing, and it's either I put too much or too little. So for this look, I'm mainly just use my little MAC palette that I just kind of created. This one is called Grain. This one right here, this one's called Grain. This one right here, this one is called Handwritten. So I use a little bit of Cork and Era, and this one right here is Pantina. That's mainly my natural go-to kind of easy makeup look. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna pick up a little bit of Cork with that Luxie, with the Luxie 205 brush, and I'm gonna put that in my crease and I'm gonna blend up. I just zoomed in just a little bit so you could kind of get a better idea. But what I did was I just blend in that Cork pretty high to my brow bone on both sides. I'm just going to take an eyeshadow brush. This is the MAC 239 brush. And I'll pick up Era. No, it's not. It's called Grand Entrant. No, it's not. Grain. This one is my favorite eyeshadow of all times. I'm pretty sure they discontinued it. And it just gives you like a nice kind of natural sheen to your lid. Like, I have it on. I don't know, it's just one of those shadows that I love because I don't really have to put much effort, honestly. I'm gonna take a MAC 239. There's nothing on it, and then I'm just gonna blend that Grain with that Cork. And I like to keep my eyes very simple. That's pretty much it, because I really like to focus more natural looks, and it's just not like wah, you know. So that's what I pretty much do for now. So the next thing I like to do, I like to curl my eyelashes, and I'll tell you why. So as you can tell, this eyelash is curled and this one's not. So I'm going to take the Chanel brush, Chanel number 4. I don't even know they make this brush anymore. But I'm going to pick some of that handwritten up, which is this one right here. I'll pick some up. So the reason why I like to curl my eyelash first is so I can see like the effect it does. So my eyelashes don't look that thick, but I would just place it really close to my lash line. And this is why I like to curl my lashes first, is because I don't like, because I like to do a nice like straight line, and with this and my eyelashes are curled, I don't really care how it looks. I just like the way it thickens my lashes. So I just do that and I blend it up. So as you can tell, this one is pretty, like, the lashes look thicker than this one because obviously it's straight and there's no handwritten like kind of smudge where like towards the lash line. I'm just gonna put mascara on, and then the mascara I'm using is the Voluminous Lash Paradise waterproof, of course, until March, because I'm getting my lashes lifted. I think this is by L'Oreal. Yeah, L'Oreal Paris. So I'm gonna put this on, and then I'm gonna put my primer, and the primer that I've been using and loving is the Brighter Days by Tarte. This is like the little like 100 points one that I got. So I'll put that on and I'll be right back. So the foundation that I used was the L'Oreal Inflammable Pro Glow 24-Hour Foundation, the 203. Did I use the wrong one? I think I did. Yeah, I meant to use 205, but I used 203. It's okay. I'll fix it. But now I'm going to use my ColourPop concealer. I'm going to use just a baby bit of the Tarte one, and then I'm just gonna blend it out with my Morphe blender. And then I didn't put mascara on my lower lash line because I want to set my concealer with setting powder, and powder always transfers to my lower lashes, so that's why I always do it after this step. I'm just using Cover FX setting powder to set my, I'm gonna do the wrong side of the sponge, set my concealer, because I always crease when I put concealer underneath my under eyes. So that's why I like to set it and forget it, you know, because I don't have to worry, oh, is it creasing? Is it creasing? Who wants to worry about that? Like, honestly, who? I'm just gonna let this not concealer, the setting powder bake, and then I'm gonna wipe it off with a brush, and then put bronzer on. Well, first I'm gonna put mascara on my lower lash line, then I'll come back to show you guys what I do next. So I filmed my eyebrows. I filled in my eyebrows using Mystery from MAC, and I angled MAC brush. This is a 266 brush. It's just angled. I've always used it to fill in my eyebrows. Now I'm gonna take my all-time favorite highlighting brushes. It's the Anastasia dual and tip ones, and I want to take Floof. I'll pick some of that up, and I am gonna highlight underneath my brow bone with that, because I didn't bring my Jaclyn Hill palette because that was way too big. So pick up a little bit more. Let's do it like so. And then I'm gonna blend it with the other side of that brush. And I want to brush away that setting powder. I'll pick up some of that Floof again, and I want to put it in the inner tear ducts of my eyes. Now, since I wiped away my setting powder underneath my lash line, I'm just going to put some mascara underneath, and this is just the regular mascara. So the one that I'm using is the L'Oreal Lash Paradise in black. I couldn't like think of the name of it when I was putting it on. So I'm just putting that on my lower lash line, my lower lashes, and then I'll be back. My eyes are pretty much done. So now I'm going to bronze my face, and the bronzer I'm using is the Hoola & Hoola Light Bronzing palette, because this is the palette that I took again when I was on holiday. Oh, and the brush that I'm using is a MAC 123 brush. The numbers are off, you guys. I'm so sorry. But it's my favorite brush. I'll take a little bit, not a little bit, but I'm going to take that brush that I use to wipe away that setting powder to blend this area. Just to blend this because it looked weird. I'm going to take a little bit of the setting powder. This is the Mineralized Skin Finish in Medium from MAC with my sponge. And I'm just gonna kind of dab that on top of that bronzer. Okay, so I'm gonna use Dandelion with that same brush. Just place it on my cheeks. So I'm gonna take my sugar palette from the Anastasia. Yeah, the Sugar Glow palette from the Anastasia. No, from Anastasia. Well, this is awkward. I'm gonna take that with my favorite highlighting brush. That's the Morphe 501. I was so close. And I'm gonna pick up Starburst. This one here, and then I'm just gonna place that on top of my cheekbones. And then I'm going to highlight my nose. I'm going to take Marshmallow, which is this one right here. And I'm going to use that to highlight my Cupid's bow. And then just a little bit. Just a little bit. And then I'm going to take my sponge. I'm just going to dab that in because my skin has a lot of texture right now. And then I didn't put my brow gel on, and this is the e.l.f. brow gel. I love this one. I'm just gonna comb that through my brows, and I'll put some lipstick on. I'm using this lippy stick from ColourPop, and it's called Ruffle. And that is the completed look. I love this look. This is pretty much my natural, kind of my very easy makeup look. Usually this takes me about 10-15 minutes. It takes me a little bit longer filming, obviously, because I'm doing it step by step, which I don't mind showing you guys how I achieve this. And I got so many compliments because it's just a very easy and simple, I think it's pretty simple makeup look. And I like to do my eyes like this because you could pair it with any lip color that you really like. You go nude, you go like dramatic, and that's why I really love doing this look. Now, if you guys loved this video, please subscribe if you're not already, and don't forget to like and put the little notification bells so you can get like updated with me. Yeah, until my next video, I shall see you guys next time. Bye.